Good morning everyone. Today I will be explaining methane. What is methane? Methane is the simplest hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are only made of carbons and hydrogen. Methane has 4 carbons and 1 hydrogen atom. Its chemical formula is carbon tetrahydride, also known as CH4. Methane has 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. Its chemical name is carbon tetrahydride, also known as CH4. It is the most common part of natural gases. It's used for fuel and for other purposes. And now I will show you the examples that I have. The first item I have is a plastic cup. These plastic cups have petrochemicals in them that have natural or contains natural gas. And natural gases come from or have methane. Next up, I have rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol also contains the same natural gases that are found in plastic containers. And guess what? Methane is in natural gases. Next up, I have the product that is mostly from methane. This is biogas. Biogas comes from waste that is mostly methane. As you can see, this is biogas. Now, despite these products not having methane anymore, because methane comes from waste, this is still a good representation of methane. The only product that has methane in it is biogas, which I put food coloring in so that it will represent methane. Methane is a greenhouse gas and it traps heat in the atmosphere. It is also very flammable, which is why it is used in fuel.